Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in WordPress Elementor. This is essential for allowing visitors to reach out to you directly from your website, whether for inquiries, feedback, or support requests. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools needed to build and customize your site. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your content and design. Next, navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll see all your existing pages listed. Click on Add Page to create a brand new page where your contact form will live. This could be a dedicated contact page or any other page where you'd like visitors to get in touch with you. After creating your new page, you'll need to click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor Page Builder. Elementor is a powerful visual editor that lets you design your pages by dragging and dropping elements exactly where you want them. It makes the entire design process intuitive and user-friendly, even if you're not a developer. Once Elementor loads, you'll see a panel on the left with various widgets and elements you can add to your page. Scroll through this panel until you find the Form widget. This is the element that will allow you to create your contact form. Simply drag and drop the Form widget onto your page in the exact location where you want the contact form to appear. Now, here's an important point to note. In order to fully create and customize your contact form, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the form widget with all its features. Upgrading unlocks advanced form fields, email notifications, integrations with third-party services, and much more. This investment is well worth it if you're serious about collecting leads or inquiries through your website. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the foundation for adding a contact form to your WordPress site using Elementor. Once you upgrade, you'll be able to customize every aspect of your form to match your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.